to One Man's Collection. Today I have a couple more Hot Wheels Premium. This is I guess it would be a rally pack that came out recently, and at my local store went on discount. It didn't take too long, so I snapped it up, even though I try not to go collecting lots of Hot Wheels. I do like the rally cars, and what really stood out was the trailer with the, I guess it looks like a Bedford van. What have we got? Hot Wheels Rally Hauler. It actually looks like a Bedford van to me. So we've got the MG Metro 6R4, Lancia Delta Interlagrel, Integrail. Am I saying that right? And a Ford RS200. Very nice. I've had a couple of other rally packs recently that I've opened up, the Golf Racing and the WRX Rally. I decided, yes, I will definitely get these. Well, there you go. So it's meant to have the MG Retro on the back. That's fine by me. Made in Thailand. Other languages, as you expect, tension. 3+, there's not much to it. Underneath, just the sponsorship stuff and all the legal stuff. Either end, nothing else. All right, I'm going to take it out because I'm not going to keep these boxed. These are going to be on a shelf. May actually make a small rally diorama in the future. Let's get my little device things to get the card out. It does have a nice scene in the background. Well done, Hot Wheels, well done. She's got a really nice scene. I like that. I don't think I necessarily want it on the shelf like that though. But it does give inspiration of what you could potentially make as far as a display. So what do we have to holding them in? They kind of look like they're... Oh wow, they're actually held in with tape, and it kind of looks like some sort of nylon rope. Nylon cord. Yep. Yep, all in quite solid. We do have a plastic shield holding the trailer in place. That's probably to stop it from moving around. Alright, I think let's start with the RS200 because it's down the end anyway. So, am I going to be able to slice through that? Yeah. Well, alright, okay, so that's definitely nylon. Right, I'm going to get something else. I'm going to get one of my cutting tools. So this is just a pair of snips, good for getting the plastic off your model. So I can't remember what they're called now, the spurs or whatever it is. Okay, I don't know if that's done that. Snap that one. Did that get it? Yes, it did. Okay. Piece of nylon. Oh, you know what? It's almost like stretchy rubber. Silicone. Probably that's what it is. Look, they hold it in place. That's great. What do we got? We've got Ford RS200 GJP91. Made in Thailand, 2019 Mattel, and a 530 on it. Number 4, Ford. You have a black engine and cabin made of plastic in there. Gold wheel, silver line, silver rim on it. Very nice. RS200 written on the back with Ford. Fairly solid, weighty on the front. We have the spotlight printed over And the lights are printed as well with a Ford badge. Some indicators, and it looks like we have a printed grille inside there. Intercooler is a actual gap, so you can actually put a in there, but it just goes down about 1 to 2 millimeters. Nice. Okay, let's put you over there. Clean up. This is some sort of gel rope or gel tie. Much easier just to go snip, snip. Yep, comes straight out. All right, second one, Lancia Delta. Pull out the cord in from around the wheel. Yep, okay, that's good. Look, I guess it holds it in place. Makes you wonder how they got that in there. Alright, I don't want it too hard though. This stuff's going to go everywhere now. I like this. This is one of my favourite cars back in the old Sega Rally game. Lancia Racing, number 5. I don't remember who number 5 was. Someone can put a comment. Lancia Racing on the rear license plate area too. Have a large bulbous thing in there, which I think is part of the metal frame to hold the plastic in place. Do have the window open, and I have a white part missing there. So I wonder what's happened there. It's not on the other side. Oh, that's a bit of a shame. Feels like something is over the top there. No, hang on, I've just scratched off more. All right, don't touch there, Brett. I'm going to have to come along and get some sort of touch-up pen there where it's actually coming off. Well, that's a shame. Yeah, there's something sticking on there, like a piece of white glue. Well, the fin sits up a long way here. Also looks like I've got a bit of a chip out of the top corner there. That's a bit of a shame about the decal stuff coming off. Let's see if we can get the van off next. Lots of decent decals on there, but it painted on so much that one's actually starting to come off. I think we'll just go in here and snip. There we go. That's what I thought. Okay, now my mat's gone. Let's try not to touch the decals in future. But that's disappointing. It's definitely not going to be a play thing. It's going to be a display thing. Oh, wow. That one's wrapped around a few times. Alright, there we go. Decent wheels on this. Is it a Ford? Is it Bedford? I don't know. An old Ford delivery van turned tow vehicle. Hot Wheels written on it. Bilstein, Brembo, Shell. Whole bunch of other supporters there. Printed lights, indicators, door handles even printed. Yeah, very good. Put you around there. See if we can get the Metro off. Alright, I might hold this up higher. Is this Martini Racing livery? I think it is, without actually saying it's Martini on this. With the different colours. Let's hold it top and bottom. I don't want to rub any more of those. It's probably not decals, maybe even be paint. Number 6. It's actually got a name. A Galdo, is it? I'm not even sure. I can't read that. We do have racing on the front. I thought it was Martini Racing. I may be wrong there. It's got Shell sponsorship on the back as well, and racing on the back. We have MG Metro 6R4 2021. Looks great. These are so cute. And we will get the trailer. Now this has a different way of holding it on. Looks like it's got that's for the plastic thing over there, but we do have the two hold down points there. So if I just snip that there, I should, in theory, be able to take this off. Okay, it wants to hold in place. We'll get in underneath there. Didn't snip it enough. Okay. That'll keep the plastic in place. I don't think I'll bother keeping this box. They're certainly not going back on now. They won't hold in place. That piece is twisted around a few times. There we go. Oh, one more. And the other side. Solid metal with the plastic base part here by the feel of it. Some matching, actually it's matching the Ford van and the, even though there's a white on the Metro, they're the same wheels by the looks of it. We have what I can only assume looks kind of like a fire extinguisher that is painted on the front of this. Look, it could have been all black, but no, they put a fire extinguisher there. Hot Wheels Rally Trailer GTT 2. Oh, is that a 6 or an 8? Hard to tell there. And the plastic actually has extra stuff. Was that 2020 Mattel, made in Thailand as well. Okay, let's put that all together. That sits quite well, and it doesn't clip in there, it just actually sits on top. Let's get these out of the way. Can all the cars fit in? That one fits in very well. The spoiler on this looks like it goes up high enough that actually sits on the top of the trailer there, and the rear wheel is sitting on the back mount part. Actually, we have brake lights painted as well. Let's see if we can get that on the camera. That's really well done. Very good. Any of the other cars fit? No, wheels fit on top. This one maybe. No, but you can put them back there so that they fit in the back part, but it will go back and forth. Man, shame about that already going. Yeah, that'll go back and forth. So absolutely made to fit this. See, it's not going to shake. Well done. So, Rally Pack. I hope you found that informative. A shame about my livery already. I'm going to have to get some really light orange paint and maybe a tiny bit of black to cover whatever it is that was there. It may have already been rubbed. I have to look back at the video and find out. Thanks for watching. A like, comment, subscribe. I am trying not to buy the Hot Wheels small stuff because I've already collecting 143s, 124s, the larger stuff, 118s. I got too many, but I couldn't pass up some rally stuff. I'm a big rally fan, and these look awesome. So I hope you found that informative, and keep an eye out on the future. I do have at least one Matchbox coming up. My first Matchbox in probably 30 plus years. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.